In this video, we are going to learn most difficult grammar, that is Karak. In English, it is case.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I am here to improve your level of Hindi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and even press bell icon for my new update. So, let's seize the day.
Before I start, thank you. I really appreciate your comments. Thank you all for encouraging me. Let's see Karak की परिभाषा. Means definition of Karak. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम. संज्ञा means noun, सर्वनाम means pronoun. के जिस रूप से उसका सीधा संबंध क्रिया means verb के साथ ज्ञात हो वो कारक कहलाता है. In English, it means the form of noun or pronoun which shows the relationship with other words or verb. In the sentence, it is called karak. In short, karak are the words that connect subject, object and verbs to each other to form a sentence. We have 8 types of karak in Hindi. Now let's move on to the second last karak, that is adhikaran-karak. Let's understand adhikaran-karak. The keywords are may, par. Whenever you have in an English sentence, you use may, and whenever you have preposition on an English sentence, you use par. The only difference is that you use in and on before the noun or pronoun in English. But in Hindi, you use may, par after the noun or pronoun. Let's understand this with some example. Let's see the first example. मछली पानी में रहती है. May, in. Meaning, fish live in the water. Next example. बिल्ली रसोई में है. May, in. Billi means cat, rasoi means kitchen. So, the cat is in the kitchen. Next example. बच्चे छत पर खेल रहे हैं. पर, it means on. So, the meaning of this sentence is children are playing on the roof. Next example. पेड़ पर फूल लगे हैं. पर, it means on. So the meaning is there are flowers on the tree. So adhikaran-karak means locative case, denoting the location or the place where the action occurs. Let's see more example. In higher grade, you can get these type of preposition also. के ऊपर, के अंदर, के सामने. So let's see the first example. पेड़ के ऊपर बंदर बैठा है. के ऊपर, it means on. The monkey is sitting on the tree. Next example. मुनु कमरे के अंदर है. के अंदर, it means inside. So the meaning of this sentence is Monu is inside the room. The next example. पहाड़ के सामने मेरा स्कूल है. के सामने, in front of. Pahad means mountain. So the meaning of this sentence is, my school is in front of the mountain. I repeat, my school is in front of the mountain. Let us see the last one, that is sampradan-karak. Now we are going to focus on the last one, that is sambodhan-karak. Sambodhan-karak is known as vocative case in English grammar. Definition: it is known as vocative case and the sign of this is the exclamation mark. It is also known as sambodhan chin. Sambodhan-karak is used to directly address a person, animal, or object within the sentence. It signifies the speaking to them by using their name or title. Let's see the example now. Let's see the first example. अरे लड़की इधर मत बैठ. अरे लड़की, okay, means hey girl. So the meaning of this sentence is, hey girl, don't sit here. After अरे लड़की there is exclamation mark. Let's see the next one. Hey Ram, ये क्या हो गया? After hey Ram, there is an exclamation mark. The meaning of this sentence is, oh God, what has happened? The next one. बच्चों, चाकू से मत खेलो. चाकू means knife. After बच्चों, there is an exclamation mark. The meaning of this sentence is, children, don't play with knife. This is the warning. Don't play with the knife. In this type of sentences, someone is warning somebody or they are asking or calling someone. Now pause the video and test yourself. Identify which are adhikaran-karak and sambodhan-karak among these sentences. The first sentence, कमरे में पंखा चल रहा है, meaning the fan is on in the room. I mean to say the fan is running in the room. Next one, hey bhai, जरा इधर तो आना, meaning hey brother, come here for a moment. The next one, the third one, पेड़ पर पक्षी बैठा है, meaning the bird is sitting on the tree. Fourth and the last one, अरे क्या कर रही हो? Meaning of this sentence, hey, what are you doing? Now you can check your answer, and if you still have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you, student. Please don't forget to watch our rest of the video of Karak to learn Karak in simple Hindi through English. So this is the end of the video. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.